Hey, so tonight we're working on a 40 horse Tohatsu 4-stroke. Let's take a look. So, customer complained there was no spark on any 3-cylinder. Came up here and found that the safety lanyard had been disconnected. So, went ahead and checked spark, had spark on all three after we reconnected, but no fuel pressure. We checked the Schrader valve at the end of the fuel rail, so here's what we found. Alright, so we got the VST tank off here. That's vapor separator tank. Houses the high pressure fuel pump. Here's what we found when we opened it. Oh, man. Yup. Lots of water. Lots of water. Probably gonna need a new fuel pump.